Now let's take this problem. Before we actually start solving it, you need to understand the question first. Give us few minutes to read through the questions thoroughly and mark important terms or numerical values mentioned in the question so that you don't miss out during your calculation or problem solving time. Now let's take the questions in a closer way. You can see the question is based on parallax method, right? And we know that, and let's mark all the numerical values: 1 minute, 6,400 kilometers, and 1 AU equal to 1.5 10 power 11. What is 1 AU? AU means angstrom units. See any strange datas? For example, 1.5 into 10 power 11 or angstrom unit, or 6,400 kilometers. So 1 minute, for example. So these units are strange in solving our problem. We are solving a problem based on SI units, which will be meters, kg and second. This is our SI units. This is what the chapter is about. We are going to solve all our problems based on the SI units, right? So these things called 1 minute, okay, angstrom unit, kilometers, these has to be converted. Let me teach you how to convert these units. Let's start with theta, 1 minute. Okay. Now we have to understand 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radians. This is the basic. 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radians. Therefore, 1 degree is equal to 2 pi divided by 360 radians. So 360 degrees is 2 pi radians. To find out 1 degree, you have to divide 2 pi divided by 360 to get for 1 degree. For 1 degree is equal to how many radians? So it's 1.745 into 10 power minus 2. What is it? Radians. 1 degree is equal to 1.745 into 10 power minus 2 radians. So this is first thing. We should know that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians, and we also know that to get 1 degree we have to divide this by 360 to get so and so radians. So 1 degree is equal to this much radians. All right. So we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. All right. And 60 minutes equal to what? We already found that 1 degree is equal to so and so radians. So let me write down as it is: 7.45 into 10 power minus 2. The whole thing is okay. All right. This is radians. Therefore, 1 minute equal to 1.745 into 10 power minus 2, the whole thing divided by 60, which is going to be approximately 2.908 into 10 power minus 4 radians. This is 1 minute. All right. Now what we are going to find out, what is 1 second? That's what we are going to find out. What is 1 second? We know that angles are measured in degrees, minutes, seconds, etc. We have found what is degrees in terms of radians. We have found out what is minute in terms of radians. Now we need to find out what is seconds in terms of radians. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds to 2.908 into 10 power minus 4 radians. Therefore, 1 second equals same thing, same technique, 2.908 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 60. So for measuring 1 second, I have to divide the whole thing by 60. 60 equals to 4.86 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So this is what is a 1 second. Now look in here. This is a bit important point to note. You can see that it is given in kilometers. Kilometers need to be converted to meters for our calculation purposes. An important point should be kept in mind, and this point is very important because throughout physics, throughout your study in physics, all the units, all the chapters will be dealing with conversion of units. If you are thorough and perfect with the conversion of units, you can solve any questions. So let's see how it is solved. Take a small example. When you have a bigger unit, say for example kilometer is a bigger unit, and a smaller unit which is called a meter. Meter is a smaller unit, kilometer is a bigger unit. If I need to convert kilometer into a smaller unit meter, I need to multiply. Keep it in mind. If I need to convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, I need to multiply. Vice versa, if I need to convert a smaller unit from meter to kilometer, I need to divide. Divide by what number? That I'll tell you. Now look at this example. It is given us 6,400 kilometers, but we need to solve our problem in terms of meter. That's how the problem is. You need to convert theta into radians and distance into meter. So it is given in kilometer. Kilometer is a higher unit, so meter is a smaller unit. So converting from higher unit into smaller unit, I need to multiply. But multiply with what number? See here. So I'm 2 into 6400 kilometers. I need to multiply to get meters, right? But with what number? That can be seen over here. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So if I multiply by 1000, I will get meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this by 1000, which will give me meter. Clear? This point has to be made very clear, because during your course of solving the problems, the conversion of units might bother you, but don't be bothered. It's very easy. Once you know this basics, that bigger to smaller unit conversion you have to multiply, and smaller units to bigger units you have to divide. Just keep that in mind and you will go through easily. Thank you for watching. Support us by subscribing to our channel and do hit the like and share buttons. Use the comment section to rate our video.